there's nowhere in the world like this place.
And we're going to make it better. It's going to get better and better because the people are awake.
I think Jamaica is the capital of the earth. Yeah.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm on the North Coast today. Conu'co Arts and Agricultural Show. Spoke to some amazing people, saw some beautiful displays. In fact, I have the highlights for you. I'm going to share that with you right now. This display, guys, look at that, look at this, look at this, look at that, authentic Jamaican products. And this is the owner, Aila.
Yeah.
Mr.
Abeyo.
Abeyo.
Yeah, and
Becky, that's all African names.
Yeah.
All right, amazing products you have here. Tell me a little bit more about it. What is the source? Is it what's the source of this?
It's alright. It's leather, and it's calabash, it's coconut, bamboo, all natural material from Jamaica here. And then we source leather anywhere we can get it. So
and leather
from we don't have a tannery anymore here.
Yeah.
So we source leather from overseas.
Yeah. Now I see like these bags here, for example. Can show that one. No, this one here.
This one here.
Yeah.
That's a waist bag. So you hang it on to your belt.
And it's all leather.
It's all leather with some calabash embellishments.
Yeah. So where do you get all these designs from? I mean,
it just comes.
Natural.
It just comes natural. Well, mostly me.
We complement each other.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, most of it, some of the times.
Look at that, guy. These are some amazing stuff they have here. Amazing stuff. Look, and then you have some slippers here too. So let's tell my viewers a little bit about these slippers that you have here.
Yeah, this is called a leaf. A leaf. So its style is like a leaf, and then we mix colors and put them together. In this one have a wedge. So that's really nice. And then these are the Rasta colors with the same leaf style. And then you have various different normal sizes, but just the mixture of colors and the leather that we put together. And then we make it for comfort. So yeah, it's padded inside. Padded. So
what's the meaning of Aisha? That's your brand?
Aila. Well, it's change. Yeah, from transformation.
Okay.
Yeah, my given name is Leela, so with the transformation, because we are Rastafari. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
and I'm gonna ask you, what inspired this as you have it now?
All right.
The pressures of modern life.
Yeah, and self-reliance.
Yes.
And then the talent is there from birth. So yeah, we just develop that, and inspiration comes from natural sources also.
You have to survive, so you have to
get creative.
Get creative.
Are you going way above creative now, man? You're doing exceptionally well. Okay, where do you see this going?
Well, we've been doing it for like 22 years now. Yeah, it's like from she born. Yeah, from she in her belly and all of that. So well, she working now because she making bags and all of that.
Oh,
so,
she's in the business.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Oh, I see your husband want to show me one of them that
Yeah,
she made.
she made this one.
Wow.
And she made these two here.
Wow. Wow.
She made, yeah, so.
Wow.
Yeah, so she have it in her blood.
It's in the blood. Awesome. Awesome. Do you cater for people who are online overseas, perhaps?
Yeah, as long as they want something, and they go on our page. We don't have a website, but we have an Instagram page. So
go ahead and share it. Share the Instagram, man, so they can hear.
Instagram is ielasandalsandaccessoriesja.
Okay. All right. And question quickly: what makes Jamaica special?
What makes
Jamaica special?
I think Jamaica is the capital of the earth. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
Full stop.
Of the earth.
Full stop.
We are a different people.
Yeah.
Completely different. I think the Africans who came here were a different stock.
Yes.
Special stock.
Special stock.
Yeah.
Well, it had to be special to survive the Middle Passage, that's true.
Yeah, definitely. You see, I'm still surviving.
Still surviving.
Yeah.
Despite
everything that's going on.
Yes. Big up you and big up the fireman.
Yeah, man, big up.
Big up. And the daughter who is taking the baton. And it looks good. Gonna run with it. All the best. All the best. And by the way, this is a Abigail, guys. And she's gonna tell me a little about this stuff here. What is this, Abigail?
That's a funny pack.
A what?
Funny pack.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's the one that you put at the front. Okay. All right. Cool. What about this one?
That is also a funny pack. Yeah, it's a whole funny pack, this one. So, this one is more like this.
That's for big people.
Yeah, this is for somebody with a bigger body.
Okay. Good. Okay. Cool. You like the business here?
Yes.
What you like about it?
I'm an artist, I create stuff, and that's fun.
Wow, wonderful. Keep doing what you're doing. All the best.
Yes.
Good. Here is something a little bit different, guys. Look at that. That's the old time Jamaican cornmeal pudding. 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 Fire say a pudding and a pudding. Fire say a pudding and a pudding. A pudding and a pudding. All right. I'm for a piece of. Oh, by the way, this is Miss
Beryl Brissett Campbell.
Beryl Brissett Campbell. And she's proud here. She have our entire team here, guys. Son, husband here. Right. And you're from Portland?
No, I am from Louis in St. Anne.
St. Anne?
Yes, right up the top there.
Okay. Behind. Okay.
I'm a top of Issa.
Okay, good.
Right.
So this is mine?
Yes.
Oh, this is lovely. Oh, but I want to get meal. Want to listen to me? And this is cornmeal pudding.
And I make sure I cut it in two so you can share.
Oh, yes, very kind of you. What other products you have here?
I have plantain, I have pine, jelly coconut, old time drops and old time chocolate.
Yes. Old time chocolate and the old time chops. Okay, nice.
Ripe banana.
Yes, and you make them round.
And
yes.
onions.
Okay. Awesome.
Was cultivated by her.
All your own hands?
Yes.
Backyard garden?
No.
Farm.
Farm.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's good, man.
Farm up Summer Hill, up at Issa property.
Wonderful. This is the old time chocolate there, right? Chocolate here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, right there.
All right.
This
So
is-
let me
And
show you.
cayenne pepper also,
Oh, this is
which is bird pepper.
oh, the same bird pepper. Wait, cayenne pepper. Okay, nice. And this is the drops, guys. For those who don't know it, everybody, I know you're brilliant people. You know coconut drops, but this is the chocolate. Not everybody know the chocolate. She makes this one round.
And the Jamaican thing right here.
Yes.
Don't forget the Rastaman thing.
The Rastaman thing.
Yeah.
Big up Rastaman. All right, my boss. Yes, it won't be the same without that. All right. And this is the nephew cutting the coconut here. All right, the entire family is here. Nice. All right. Natural. I want to ask you.
I was born in this location, right here.
The Grizzly.
Right over here I was born.
Oh, it was the hospital here.
No,
First time it
that was a cane field, you know.
Oh, the
It
cane
was
field.
Richmond
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, but them days there.
Yes.
When I hold up a cane and.
Yes, I was born right over there.
Oh, big up yourself. So
Yes.
this is roots for you.
Root, yeah.
All right. Well, see,
So I was saying something.
what makes Jamaica special?
What makes Jamaica special? There's nowhere in the world like this place. You understand me?
Yeah.
We might have a little fight with crime,
Yeah.
but this is the best country in the whole world.
Yes.
Best Caribbean country.
Well, we have them kind of food here.
Yes.
Them kind of people, yeah?
Yes.
Them kind of breeze, yeah?
And guess what
Them
happened?
kind of seaside, yeah?
And guess what happened? We still have the love.
You still have the love.
We still have the
A
love.
Rastaman say we're free. But very important. Hey, I see you. Say it again.
We're free.
All right.
Free.
A lot of countries of people are struggling right now, man. Even some of the big nations, them.
Yes, right. We're still free out here.
We're free.
Can go pick almond, can go pick breadfruit, can go pick ackee, can't get if you're hungry.
Blessed love, blessed love. Guys, and I ran into a very exuberant, a very lively young lady. Watch her getting ready for the camera. What's your name, my friend?
My name is Chevanese.
Chevanese. And what do you have here today?
The business name is Nzuri Objedar, which means gorgeous art object. So Nzuri Objedar are granite pots or marble pots embellished with glass mosaic. So if you take a look here, you will see this is a genuine orchid. And with
So these are your products?
yes, they are. These are the pots to put in the orchids. So you don't have to wrap them in the mesh like what we're used to. You can just get a nice, fancy, exquisite
So you or your company makes these?
Yes, I actually make them. Handmade
You do?
them. Yes, sir.
Wonderful. And what material do you use?
Granite, primarily granite. Most of these are granite, and here is a marble piece, that white one there with the peacock feathers. That's marble.
This one.
That white one there.
Wow.
So there are different types of granite. This is a butterfly green granite, the black amber granite, blue fantasy.
All your handmade products.
All handmade.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Where do you see this going?
Wow, I can see them going into some of the biggest hotels in the lobby areas, overseas if persons want to have them there. It's a really a classic product, so if you like art and style and if you like something elegant, then this is the perfect product for you.
Oh, awesome. How can if persons are interested in your product, how can they get in touch with you?
Alright, they can get in contact with me on Instagram. That's at Accents by Nzuri, or they can give me a call at 205-2234.
876, of course, because we're in Jamaica. What makes Jamaica special?
Because we have a lot of unique people. It's out of many one people, and we have a lot of creative people in Jamaica. Including myself and many persons at Conu'co market, and a lot of artisans, a lot of creative folks are here, and that's what makes us special.
And I agree. I've been seeing a lot of unique and creative stuff.
Yes.
So all the best to you, my friend.
Thanks, Mr. Gale.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Another interesting booth, guys, and lo and behold, it is our original Rastaman.
Yeah, man,
my brother, how are you doing?
Welcome, welcome to the art of clay.
Yes.
Art of clay is what you can imagine, all of one-of-a-kind pieces, all original.
Yeah.
All from Mother Earth,
Yeah. You said clay.
Yeah, man, all clay.
All clay products.
Yeah, all clay products.
All right. So tell me a little about this. So all right. So first of all, let's just walk through some of the products you have here quickly. So these are some of your products here.
That's a backneck vase.
Right. What do you use this for? Like flowers?
Well, you can use that as a decorative piece. You can cut plants and put in it as well. So multiple use. You can also have a shelf on the wall. You can put a variation, like you see, this have a variation here in terms of heights and shape.
All clay.
Yeah, all clay. All clay.
So, all right. So I have a clay video that I did with another gentleman. I don't know if you know him, Isaiah from Westmoreland, from St. Elizabeth.
No, I don't.
I think he has a booth around there. But your stuff is a little different because
these are glaze items, right?
Glaze, because you glaze it. That's
glaze,
what I mean. That's what I mean.
So these are glazed. So if the rain come and pour on it and the sun shine on it, this is permanent. This won't change. This is going to be
that's what I wanted.
As it is. So this is ceramic. This is
take it out. Take it out. That's what I wanted to ask you. So this, what makes it different is it's what you call it, a glaze.
Right, the glaze. It's glazed and fired with using a gas kiln.
But the original source is clay.
Yeah, the original source is clay. So the first firing would be a bisque. So when you look at it, it will have that brown color.
Yes.
So that would be a terracotta.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is a glaze.
Okay. All your products are glaze products.
Right.
Awesome. Right here in Jamaica, you have everything, all the source, everything is from here. Nothing.
Well, you know that we import a lot of stuff from the States, but I try to use as much as possible.
But the clay is here.
Clay, yeah.
The clay is here.
Yeah, I source the clay.
Okay,
here.
good.
I prepare it from scratch.
All right, good. And your own hands. I have somebody
well, I have persons that mine the clay and then I get it transport to me.
No man, no, that's what I mean. You did the molding, you did the hand.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Prepare clay from scratch and knead and then.
Yeah, you have some face, some stuff here as well.
Right.
Those are all clay base as well?
Yeah, all clay base.
Man. But guys, we have a lot of talent here in Jamaica. I tell you that much. What's the name of your?
It's Cloud Island, you know. Just right there.
So this is your little business card. How can people I know there's some people who will watch it, but some prefer to hear. How can they contact you?
Well, they can follow me on Instagram, Cloud Island, that's CLAUD HOILETT. You know, and my contact is 7781 448.
Of course, 876 guys. We're in Jamaica.
Right.
All right. Let me ask you.
And these are instrument necklaces as well.
Oh, necklaces. Okay.
So if you look, you see like the initial G. You know, I never get to complete all of the alphabet. You know, so all clay.
All clay.
All clay.
Love it. What makes Jamaica special, Mr. Claude?
What makes Jamaica special? Like the music.
The music.
The food.
Yeah.
The people. I know some people come for the herb, you know.
Yeah. All right. You have to say that today. You have to inject that one day. All right, my boss. Pick up yourself.
And the sun, and the beaches, and the river, and you know.
Exceptional work, you guys. I'm seeing some really good displays here so far. I just want to big up you and everybody else, you know what I mean, who is doing such a wonderful work showcasing Jamaica. Right. You know? You have something else you want to show me? Huh? What about that one? Tell me about what makes that one different.
Well, you tell me what you feel about it. Because you see like these are intentional.
Yeah,
so it kind of reflects like a ancestral lineage. You know, it can come through generation.
Wow.
And then at the end, it's still at that refined finish.
Yes, man.
It's like we as a people, we go through a struggle. We go through an experience, and the experience that what we go through, it never breaks us, but it only makes us stronger. So it's a lesson that each challenge brings.
Awesome.
You know, and within the arts, you know, we try new things and we discover new things. So we have to come out of our comfort zone and feel a little bit uncomfortable to discover something new.
Salute for you guys doing, man.
Yeah, man.
Awesome work. Expect some good things.
Yeah, man, so give thanks. So
all right, my brother.
Zooming back one thing again.
Yes. Yes, guys, see me here. Clan Island, all his contact information is here as well. Exceptional work, man. Run into a beautiful lady here, guys. Very beautiful lady here. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Afia.
Afia?
Yes.
And this is your first time here?
Yeah, it is my first time here. I've always heard about it, but it's my first time coming.
How is it?
It's amazing. You have a mix of plants, craft, food, cuisine. It's everything, like a mix of everything that Jamaica has to offer. It's amazing.
Oh, wonderful. And you say you know about me? You know me?
Yeah, I know about your channel. You're always promoting Jamaica and bigging up Jamaica, so I have to big you up too.
Oh, thank you. Tell me viewers what to do then.
Subscribe, like, follow, share with your friend them. You know, so you're going to learn all about Jamaica. It's all about promoting Jamaica, so you're going to get the full 100. Yeah,
right.
so I like
and your name again?
My name is Afia.
Afia,
yes.
Big up Afia. This is what you call unique. No, this looks like an coconut brush, and this is a coconut. This is a stick. Who is it?
I'm Dalrosa.
And what kind of stuff you have here, ma'am? What are they, ma'am?
We call them Dalrosa home decor. They are all home decor.
Lovely. Very, very different and unique.
Yes.
Okay. So show me some of the other stuff that you have. So I've already seen this one.
Whisk. And this is a rock stone.
Rock stone.
Yes. It's a rock stone.
And what is this What is this?
These are whisk in the rock stone.
Oh, whisk in the rock stone. Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. Cool. And this one?
Oh, this is from the palm tree. Yes, so I just create up a little thing and put these in there.
Very creative. Yes. Very. And you polish them?
Yes, I polish them.
Okay, good. And there's another one. So where would these typically go? These are houseware stuff,
Yes,
right?
centerpieces. Anywhere in the house you want to fit it.
I use all natural Jamaican products.
All natural
100%.
Jamaican, 100%.
Coconut.
Yes.
What else?
Bamboo. These are from the palm trees, and these are pieces of driftwood. Old wood that we find in the bush, and then clean it up, varnish it, you see them beautiful.
Wow, they are certainly. All the best to you. If people are interested in knowing more about what you do or some of your products, how can I get in touch with you?
I'm on Instagram at Dalrosa Home Decor.
Wonderful, wonderful. All the best, my friend.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
All right. Continuing to showcase the best of the show, guys, and I am now with Miss
and Witter. My company Sauti Sack.
Sauti Sack.
Yes.
I wonder where you get the name from, sister.
Sauti means voice in Swahili. I got it when I was a teenager and I still have it.
Ah, who gave you that name? Oh, you gave yourself a name?
No. In the 60s, I'm old, you know. And when I was in the States, I was going to visit some people and they said, these are, you know, black power people, you have to have an African name.
Oh, I see what you mean.
So this lady knew a magazine that was called Sauti, so she gave it to me.
Oh, lovely.
So she could introduce me to the person.
And it stuck with you?
And it stuck.
Oh,
I was 17.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. And today you're doing bags under the Sauti Sack.
Under the Sauti Sack.
Sauti Sack bags. Tell me a little about the bags that you have here.
Okay, these are all canvas bags. And the pictures are from my nephew, Marshall Witter, who took them, took these pictures. All of this, it's along the Hope River.
Okay.
You see, the Hope River has a lot of waterfalls. I didn't realize
Where's the Hope River?
Hope River is going all the way from Gordon Town, going all the way
New St. Andrew.
Okay. And so we took all these lovely pictures and got them mounted on canvas. I thought it would be a good idea. These here
So all of these pictures, see, you said all of these pictures here are along the Hope River. Your nephew, you said?
My nephew, Marshall Witter.
Marshall Witter. Big up Marshall Witter, guys. Give him a thumbs up for me now. Yes. Some beautiful pictures. Some more here. And these beautiful bags here. Yes.
And some of these now are just some totes. This is a bed caddy. You just put this part under the mattress and this part hold down. You put your phone and all kind of things.
Okay. Cool.
And these are basically just totes.
Yeah.
Of fabric from Africa, and this is from Africa. This is in Jamaica about this.
Wonderful.
So that's it.
Love it. How can people get in touch with you if they're interested in any of your bags?
IRieartjamaica.com.
Okay. And your Instagram? Oh, I see Instagram here.
Yes.
I see them. That's a Instagram handle, guys. You can see it there. Instagram. Just hold it for me. Let me capture it here, sister. All right. She's showing. The breeze is blowing, but there's the information, the email, the Instagram, and WhatsApp and email. All the best, sister. All right.
And your name is?
Mr. Gale. What makes Jamaica special, Mr. Gale? Mr. Gale.
Okay.
What makes Jamaica special?
We are known all over the world.
Yeah.
We're a very small place, but we have a powerful footprint throughout the world. And we're going to make it better. It's going to get better and better because the people are awake.
All right. Lovely. By the way, guys, this event is happening at the beautiful Grizzly Plantation near Richmond in St. Anne. Look at the view right on the beach side. It's amazingly beautiful. Kids are enjoying themselves there as well. People just resting their legs as well. So others are eating some food, parking here. Very beautiful day, showcasing the best of Jamaica. All right, guys, now a very interesting booth. This is the man behind it. What's your name, my brother?
Winston, Mr. Cameron.
Mr. Cameron, and this is his beautiful wife, his empress. Anna. Man, awesome stuff you have here.
Thank you very much.
I noticed first of all, I noticed the coconut, what is this, cups or ashtrays, yeah? I noticed the coconut tree A human is making a tree, right? I noticed.
Yes, sir.
I noticed the chalice, steel pipe. I noticed that, and I noticed some more coconut. What is that? Coconut bowl. Tell me, what was the inspiration behind all of this?
Jungle.
The jungle.
Yes, sir.
Jungle.
Yes, sir.
Jungle life.
Jungle experience.
Jungle experience.
Anything nature give, we make products.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're all business jobs.
Yeah, man. I like the crochet stuff though, as well. So you made these as well?
Yeah, these are all handmade for real.
All handmade. Beautiful, man.
Natural sitting.
Huh?
Natural sitting.
Oh man, I'm 100%. Look at these guys. Look at this. So these are beach wears.
Your jeans. I'll cut it in a body ride and turn it in a full suit.
Man, bring a jeans.
Yeah.
Are you fix it up for them?
Yeah, turn it in a suit.
Oh, cool.
So, but the thing is all about recycling, you know. The
Yeah.
shop is all about recycling.
Yes. I love the display. I'm seeing a lot of very impressive displays here.
Thank you,
and
brother.
you're definitely was one of them that stood out to me, man.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man. What would you say is your top product here? Your favorite?
My favorite is crochet.
The crochet?
Yeah, I love crochet. One of my passion, you know.
Awesome. A question for you. Oh, you have some thumbs here too.
Yeah. These are knitting still, but they're similar to crochet.
Okay. Question quickly. What makes Jamaica special?
It's naturality. It's naturality.
Naturality.
Yes, I.
Everything is here, natural.
Yes, I.
Blessed love.
That's what makes Jamaica special for me, right?
I wanted to ask you one last question, and I don't want to take. I know we're running, but the coconut tree here. Tell me, man. What? How did you come up with something like that?
Actually, see it make from tinning in Holland.
Okay.
So Holland couple times. See, make from design from tinning. I mean, it's a coconut husk and do it and try it out and it works.
And it works. Man, how can people contact you? People are interested in your products. How can they reach out to you? How can they get in touch with you?
You know, me not level shop like that though, but me got a card.
You have phone?
Business card.
Yeah, man. You have number and Instagram also. If people want to reach out to you?
Yes, I.
Yes, man, on the Facebook, on Jungle Experience.
Jungle Experience?
Yes, we are very outdated, but you can find our information.
Okay. Okay, all right, good. Jungle Experience. All right, the Jungle Experience. Okay, good. This, good.
Where we get the radio.
Good. This is the coconut tree made by the man, by hand, guys, by hand. Man, lovely. Look at that. The bird. Watch the bird, guys. Watch the bird. Wow, this is a moat. Wow, look at that.
Where the Dutch?
The old gig man. How you signing? Are you making what
I creation, bro?
No man, long time you just make it recent. Eh? No, I forgot to link you back, man. Because we're going to need some gig, you know. I plan a gig competition, you know.
Yeah.
No, seriously.
You have to give me money more than me a top gig man.
Alright, well, do something for we have right now. Like I say, alright, guys, this is how we used to entertain the little boys in Jamaica when we grew up. Yeah. Entertain with one another, not true?
Yeah.
And we play a gig.
Yeah.
Alright.
Gig specking.
Alright, look at that one, them fire. Go on. Alright, fire, alright. This is the old time stuff we love, man. That's spin. Lovely. This is it. Alright, now this is something different, something interesting, guys. This is a different kind of stuff. Hi, how are you doing?
I am good.
Your name?
My name is Shana.
Shana, what is this you have? It's very different stuff. These are all sand based.
This is the art boot. It is wood coated with sand, glass coated with sand, and even plastic coated with sand.
Sand based products?
Yes. And we do these t-shirts, but they are hand painted. So you can feel the material.
Sand is in there too?
No, but it's hand painted.
Hand painted. But most of the products are sand,
yes.
which is quite innovative.
The sand is from different parts of the island.
No, that's good.
Yes.
You know, I'm one of them who believe that we should be utilizing our natural resources.
And that is
we shouldn't be dependent too much on tourism, guys. You agree with me? Come, we shouldn't be too heavily dependent on tourism because we have a lot of unique natural resource here, and sand happens to be just one of them. We have a lot of beaches, so you turn sand into products. Tell me about some of your top products that you have here now.
All right, so
I see a lot of faces, a lot of sunshine.
yeah, we have a lot of. We try to do a little of everything. If you realize we have elephants, we have most of the sea creatures here. So you have fish, you have turtles, you have stingray, and we have some land animal.
Some what? Land animals.
Yes.
Okay.
So you have some rabbits, and you have the elephant here, horse, cats. A lot of person love the little cats. We even have a pig here, and we have some faces.
Yeah,
so these
lots
are
of faces.
our human faces.
Yeah, I love the
and we have
clocks.
some Rasta faces, and our clocks are one of the favorite items.
Yeah.
Persons love
What's the name of your brand again?
It's IRIART. You can find us on Instagram, IRieartJamaica, and you can find us on Facebook, IRIART. Even if you just go on Google and type in IRIART, you will definitely find us. And we are based in Negril.
Tourist hub.
Yep.
All right, excellent. And I ran into a familiar face, guys. Adriel, we go way back. How you doing?
I am good.
All right, what you have here today? You're here at Conu'co with your family, your friends.
We're Angel Beads by A. That's our Instagram handle. We have Gemstones bracelet, male, female singles, 3 stacks, double. We have anklet over here, and of course waist beads.
And what?
Waist beads.
Waist beads.
Correct.
Okay. Which one is the most popular product?
They all are.
They all are?
Yes.
Which one is your favorite? These?
Yes.
Okay.
Those are my favorites. We also have, like, just a once in a time, we have duffel bags, tote backpacks, and even just little weekenders. If you want to put all your toiletries and stuff, we have those as well.
Those on the top here?
Correct.
Okay, alright. Cool. Angels by?
Angel Beads by
Angel Beads by A. Okay. And guys, we have some people doing some interesting stuff here. What are you selling?
So I have all sea moss products from the raw wild crafted sea moss. This is a dried sea moss. We have the sea moss gels, pure sea moss gel, and the infused. We infuse with elderberry and also with the blue spirulina. And we also have the acai berry.
All right. And am I speaking with?
Danelia.
This is Rochella.
Yes.
Rochella. Awesome. All right. So and what is this?
This is elderberry. So it's dried elderberry.
What is that?
So it's a herb, very good for cold and flu like symptoms. It got really popular during COVID, and not a lot of Jamaicans know that it's here. So this is actually from St. Andrew, Stony Hill. So I brought it so Jamaicans would actually know that we do have the plant here, and this is how it looks.
Awesome. Okay, what else? I see you have so all sea moss based products.
Sea moss based products.
Okay, what else do you have?
So we have skincare and hair care products. So this is whipped sea moss scrub with pink Himalayan salt, a very good exfoliant. Here we have a shampoo bar. So traditionally shampoos were actually bars before liquid, and so if you use this bar, you don't need a conditioner because it's moisturizing. It's because we use liquid shampoos. Why no, we need a conditioner to moisturize the hair. It's easy to travel with. It's made with aloe vera, sea moss, and tea tree oil. And I don't know, many Jamaicans would know what we call coral or loofah. They used to shower with it. So, you know, if you don't have rags in the rural areas, Jamaicans usually just use a dry coral and bathe with. So we use it to make a soap. So you don't need a rag.
Interesting.
You can just use it.
So this is sea moss soap as well.
Sea moss soap, yes.
Okay, cool.
And of course we
have.
Of course,
it's the sea moss.
Yeah, this is the sea moss.
Yeah.
And here we have the gold sea moss soap, very good for eczema. The apple cider vinegar, very good for acne. The turmeric is very popular, turmeric and sea moss. Good for discoloration, and the coconut charcoal sea moss.
What makes your product stand out?
because it's very hard to get premium well-crafted sea moss. It's very difficult to get this quality sea moss nowadays, and so even Jamaican sea moss overall is in very high demand. So actually today is the first I'm selling the raw dried sea moss, because I usually don't sell it because it's very hard to come by.
Yes. Okay, awesome. What makes Jamaica special, Miss?
What makes Jamaica special?
Yeah.
I mean, we have the best products and we have the best people, and we're very ingenuitive people. So, you know, our products will always stand out.
Awesome. And speaking of products, how people are interested in your products? How can they get your products?
Very much interested. Currently, we have the soaps in the Sanchez International Airport at Jamaica Aromatics. And we have the sea moss gels in Kingston at the Alchemist Pharmacy, and also in Montego Bay at the Vegan Cafe in Fairview. And you can also visit our website at www.seamossbossja.com, and it's stress-free, easy to check out.
Ready for the road. All the best.
Definitely. Thank you.
All right, bye. I tell you guys, these shows, these sort of events always have these beautiful people with the flowers, and today I am with
Arlene Scott.
Arlene Scott.
Yes, from Bangor.
From where?
Bangor, from Highgate St. Mary.
St. Mary, representing St. Mary. Big up all the St. Mary. Thumbs up to the St. Mary people right now.
Right.
In the house who's watching, yes.
Okay.
And what do you have?
We have a mixture of plants.
We
have a variety of maranta. We call these a prayer plant because in the night they close up like they're praying.
Ah, really?
Yes, they close
this
up
one,
in the
this
night
one here?
like they're praying, yes. These.
Oh, okay. So
they're from the Kalate family.
That's like the Sheba Maka.
But, right, they close up like they're praying. And we have begonias. And I specialize in cactus garden at the front here. I do specialize in cactus garden.
Is that the front?
Yes, right. This is what I really specialize in.
Oh, beautiful stuff.
Yes. We have our wood. Driftwood, we specialize in that also.
That's pimento, right?
No, this is actually a guava tree.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Beautiful flower.
So,
all kind of different stuff you have.
Yes, that's a mixture of ornamental plants.
Ornamental plants.
And cacti and succulents.
Okay, yes. Good. Tell me about this one. This one looks unique.
Okay, this is a cacti. Yes, this is a cacti. Right, and you notice that it bloom off. So when it bloom off, now it gives you the seed here. And then what we can do with this now, this is how we get our babies sometimes.
Oh.
And these are the seeds.
You
know, so we set these in special media. Right, and then we get all
It sounds like you know this thing. How long are you in this business?
About 35 years.
Oh, so you're well,
about that.
You're well marinated in it, man.
Yes.
Okay, what do you like about it most?
Watch the plants grow.
Yeah.
You watch the plants grow, you study the plants. I'm a collector.
Yeah.
So I love to watch my plants grow.
Okay.
You will have a beautiful plant and it's time for it to cut up and your heart don't give you to cut up that plant, you know.
Oh, lovely,
but
lovely.
you know, we have to propagate.
Lovely.
Yes, because once we're in the business, I have to propagate. And I do plant rental. Yes, so offices and banks and so on.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Speaking of plant rental, if people want to rent a plant or to get your plants,
wedding,
or they can reach
we do function. So my number is 859-8341.
876, guys. We have
876.
You have people watching from all over the world.
Yes, 876-859-8341.
Yeah.
I do a little gardening service also. So
okay, beautiful. And I like how you sound. Thank you. Is this the first time here though?
Yes, it's my first.
Okay.
And I'll be back.
You like it?
Yes, I'll be back.
I love the display of just a lot of unique Jamaican stuff, the creativity of our people. It's good, not true?
Yes.
Good. All the best, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye-bye. Continuing the show, guys, on some of the very best of Jamaica, and there's few better than this brand here. RAW, Rob Anthony Active Wear, and the man behind it is this face. How you doing?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Awesome products you have here, man. Captivated me.
Yeah.
I must tell you, man.
Glad to hear.
What was the inspiration? What is the inspiration?
Well, you know, COVID has caused a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm originally a fashion designer.
Yeah.
And because of the COVID situation, I had to pivot into something, you know, more profitable, so to speak, because persons weren't going out.
Yes.
So that's really the drive behind this new project. You know, but I've always been doing bags on a smaller scale, yes.
Yeah.
You know, but now I've decided, you know, I need to go in the, do a bit more, bring a bit more variety.
Yeah.
So this is just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. We have a lot more to come, bigger and better.
Yeah.
And as we go along, and we are offering leather, but on request.
Okay.
So what we have here right now is leatherette, very high quality. But if you do wish to get a leather product, or genuine leather product, you can order it.
So but all of these, these are all designed by you?
Yes, designed and made.
Made by your own hands?
Yes, correct. 100%.
This
So
is
they are
all-
handmade.
And this is top quality stuff. This is not just, this is stuff that can go, and probably is going everywhere in the world right now, right?
Yes. So to the world.
Yeah.
To the world, we say.
So it's mainly bags for now?
Mainly bags for now. And I don't really like to say bags, luggage.
Luggage, okay.
Yeah, so it takes in everything.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
From a duffel bag to a backpack to a carry-on bag to a pouch, everything.
Which one do you say, who would you say your clients gravitate to the most right now?
Well, the feedback I'm getting right now is the duffel bag is doing it.
Show us that one now.
The duffel bag is this one right here.
The duffel bag.
Yes.
Okay.
You know,
looks cute. Looks cute. I can.
Some people call it a weekend bag.
I can understand why.
Yes,
It looks solid, man.
Yeah,
Look,
man.
let me
Very.
see. It looks solid. Look good.
Yeah.
Look good.
This over here is the inside of the bag.
Yeah.
This is what the inside looks like.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
this is
what
the
the inside.
finish. This is the finish of the inside.
Ah.
Yeah.
So if you open this one, you can take it out like that.
Exactly. This is what you'll see inside.
Okay.
The same setup with the pocket here, very functional.
Yeah.
And the coloring is just to
Man,
a wow factor.
This is top class stuff, man. We
Yeah.
can't compete with anybody, man.
Yeah.
Man.
That's the aim.
Where did you get all this talent?
Well, it's God given. you know, talent is God given at all times.
I tell you, man. I'm so excited.
Nothing to do with me.
I've seen a lot of great displays here and talent on display here. It amazes me.
Yes.
How Jamaica, we have so much here, you know?
Yeah, we have a lot of talent, but what we need to do now is make an industry out of it.
Yes,
you know, because a single person just doing it.
Yes.
It's working, but if we could make an industry, then we will get much further.
I agree. I agree. If people want to get in touch with you or get any of your products, how can they reach you?
Well, I'm on Instagram at RobAnthony1, Facebook Rob Anthony.
The digit one or the word one?
The digit one.
Okay.
Right. And my number is 431-4998.
Okay. 876, of course, guys. So we're in Jamaica.
Yes, correct.
Right? And what makes Jamaica special, Mr. Rob? I asked all my interviewees.
The multifacetedness of us, of everybody. Everybody is different. Everybody is unique.
Yes.
You know, that's what makes Jamaica
And to bring something to the table.
Yes, I'm trying to bring something to the table.
Lovely. All the best, man.
All right, good. Thank you.
That's it, my friend. Highlights of the Conu'co Arts and Agricultural Show. Amazing stuff. Jamaican people, creative and true. What jumped out at you though? I'd love to hear. Drop it in the comments below. I particularly like that man with the bag. That stood out. But I want to hear from you. What jumped out at you? Share it in the comments below. And remember, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these, people like them, events like these. I call it the real Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you're thinking of all my latest videos. And if you like this video, chances are you'll also like the My-Island Agricultural Show. There's a link on the screen right now. So click on it, hop across, and I'll see you then.